see the text directly. If I want to increase some of the light, I can take it up, but again, I don't want to increase some of the light. I just want it to be dark, right, in a little bit. I'll go ahead to leave it this way for now. I'll click on OK, and this thing that I'm doing here, it's not like there's a process to it. It's not like a one size fits all. You just need to, from your own visuals, this is a visual design, you look at it, you feel like is it giving you the vibe you want, please go ahead. If it's not giving you the vibe, keep adjusting and keep exploring the tools. So another thing that I like to do again is something known as, I like to add a level of toning to my design. I'll go to something known as my tone image. Under my tone image, I have a lot of features I can adjust. We have the brightness, we have our brightness, we have contrast. Contrast is what I'm looking for, and I'll go ahead. When I select contrast, how do I do that? When you click, just go to the middle part of your screen and click and drag. It will show you this slider. You can now navigate to whatever you are trying to adjust. For example, I'll go to my contrast. And now that you have access to just adjust contrast like that, automatically when you do that, look up on your screen, you see contrast 0. Now when I drag that arrow to the right side or to the left side, you guys start seeing some effect. Can you see that? I'm increasing, I'm removing contrast, but when I put it to the other side, I'm also adding what? Contrast. And when I do that, you can see that we are seeing some dramatic, it's getting more dramatic. The flyer is getting more dramatic here. I'll go ahead to just look at it, give me something. Let me just add a little bit of contrast to it. I'll leave it at 14 for now. You'll be surprised, just all these small numbers that we are adding, what are those effects? It feels like you're not even doing anything. But let me click and hold on it. When I click and hold on my design, you can see the original. When I leave it, it goes back to what you have edited. When I click and hold, it shows the original. When I leave my screen, it shows the current state of the design. Another thing I like to do on my tools is something known as graining. Graining is trying to add a little bit of noise into your design. It shows like you don't care. I don't care attitude. I can go ahead to start. When I scroll from the middle again, I have access to change the grains, to increase the grains, or to increase the strength, the style strength, the grain strength basically. I'll start to increase the grain first. If I increase the grain, like I said, just like any other time, when you try to see the worst part of the design, take it to both extremes, the highest part and then to the lowest part, so that you can see the effect, and then you can now decide a balance, something where you want it to be. And I want it to be here, around here for now. So you can see that a green has been applied, making it more dramatic again. We are not there yet. I'll go ahead to click on OK. Another thing I want to apply to this again, it's not just grain. Oh, in fact, the grain that I applied, I'm supposed to do some other thing. Let me go ahead to apply that same grain again. I'll go to grain one more time, but this time I want to increase. Maybe I should just leave it at that.